Hi everyone, Nigel Saunders here. It's the last day of week 3 of taking down the greenhouse, and it's actually sunny today, the first time in probably a week. Yesterday we managed to get all the plastic folded up roughly. I think we'll have to spread it out in a big field and fold it better in better conditions. It was quite windy yesterday, so we did the best we could. We're heading out for lunch now. The kids got all the steel paneling on the sides of the knee wall taken off. We got one more arch taken down and almost ready to take the second one down also. There's a shot of the knee wall. So there's 4 sections, 4 steel sections over there.
I'm gonna walk it over.
Okay.
You okay,
What are we
Jules?
gonna do? She's gonna walk it over somehow.
Monica, you stay away from there where it can fall.
We just have to hold this end of it, so just don't fall off.
Okay, I'm gonna let it swoop down.
Yeah, that's a good
Okay.
idea.
Monica's gonna grab it.
You okay? Hang on to that pipe, Jules.
And you
Not
let go,
down,
Julian. Yeah, you let go of the arch, Julian and Nigel.
Otherwise you're just balancing on the boat.
Okay.
Good, that's good.
Put it on my other shoulder first. No.
Actually, I can probably get it myself here. Oh, I got it.
It's like the lightest thing.
Okay, I'm going up top. This is the second truss in from the garage door. And to clear the garage door, they've cut this cross tube and raised it up higher in the middle here. So this is the arrangement. This is the original bracket with the tube going across, and then they've cut the tube and put this, well, this piece has 2 pieces of angle iron. There's one on the back and the other end's the same. So that's the arrangement. We're gonna take this part of the pipe out, swing it down, take this bolt out, and then this cross tube should swing down in this slot. That's the plan. Here's Julian with real life fruit ninja. Oh, fail. Try it again. Oh, it's all mushy. Try it again. Oh, you got a piece of it. Good work, yay. It's almost the end of the day, Sunday, the end of week 3, and we've got quite a bit of it taken down now. We've got that entire front section. We have 1, 2, 3 sections of arches to go, so we'll be back at it next week. Are you ready?
Yeah, I got it.
Is it coming right off?
Yeah.
Okay. Ground. There we go.
can hold it.
No, it's too heavy. Okay, that
Caught on
came
there?
down all right.
Well, at least it fell the right way.
Yeah, that was all right. Okay, let's get this top strip off if we can. It might be very tight. Oh, I think that got it. So the plan for the remaining trusses is to take the two inner ones off in one piece, in one big arch. I'm just taking off the cross beams, detaching them from the inner arches, and then we'll walk those inner arches over top of the outer ones and get them down. So it'll just leave the two outer ones standing, and I'll be removing the two inner ones. And then finally we'll have to take down those two outer ones. That's the plan anyway.
Why not?
Are you ready, Laura? Here we go. We'll flop it over, and then we'll hop it over here. And I think I have got it. There's the progress at the end of today. We got another two arches here down and one at the back wall down. Yeah, 10 more to go. Hi everyone, it's the end of week 4 of tearing down the greenhouse. We had some pretty rough weather this week. It was blowy and snowy, but now the weather's starting to get a little better. There's only 4 arches that remain to be taken down. I'll be working on taking down these arches today. We're also making good progress on taking down the knee wall. There it goes. Sure is nice with the sun out, isn't it?
So what are you doing there? You're taking
I'm taking the center bar off.
completely off? Okay.
Totally off.
Okay.
That'll be my first thing. Okay. It's like the biggest spaghetti noodle. Okay, now let's come the other side of this arch, eh?
Yeah, so do you want to go first?
All right. So I'm gonna have to go around this thing.
Yeah, I know.
I think I can do it by.
I'm trying to give you more.
I got it. Okay, you come the other side now. And then we're just gonna have to run in as it lowers. You ready, Laura?
Yeah, it's caught on your side though, Nigel. Okay. Okay.
Good. That's good. Perfect. Oh, in a tree there? Oh, it's caught on that bracket there. These things are like spaghetti when you get them all. Okay, my easy ones. No. This is all right. Okay, Laura, you can come around this side then. We may have to hop it over the center there. There we go. Piece of pie. That's it for today. We've got 2 arches remaining and just the knee wall then.